What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Rabie Baby, the nightmare critter from Poppy Playtime 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the right eye. We'll start right in the middle with a straight angled line going up and over towards the top right. Let's go back down towards the bottom. We'll draw a half circle for the bottom of the eye, coming all the way around and then back up. Now we're going to shift the pupil towards the right side. So up here we're going to draw an oval coming down towards the bottom and then back up. And then I want to fill the inside of the eye in black. Let's move over toward the left side and draw on the nose. We're going to curve this around, come down, and then up. Now I'm going to layer the right side on top. So we're going to step up, curve this down, then up towards the eye, come around the eye, and then up towards the corner of the mouth. Let's add a fold. Now I'm going to draw the left eye tucked in behind the nose. So we're going to move over, draw a straight angle line going up toward the top of the eye, go all the way around, and back in towards the side, and then on the inside we're going to draw an oval going up and then down for the pupil, and we'll fill the inside of the eye in black. Let's go on top of the nose and add a fold. Now we're going to draw on the back side of the mouth. Starting from the nose, curves up and then over. Let's add that fold, coming down. Now I want to draw the bottom edge of the mouth. Let's start back on the left side, come all the way down towards the bottom, round out the mouth, pull that up on the right side. Down here, we're just going to add a small curve on the nostril. And we're going to add two large fangs underneath the top of the mouth. Let's start with the one on the left. Come down and in, bend that back up. Now in this gap here, add another one. Coming down and then up. Let's add the tongue on the bottom right. So we start with that fold, coming across, step back, go out and then down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go back and add that trim going around the eyes. Let's start from that fold in the center, trace the eye on the left, going up toward the top, all the way around towards the bottom, and then in. Let's go over towards the right, going up across the top. Now I'm going to go back to the nose, all that curve coming down underneath the eye, and back up toward the top. Let's add some fur going around the corner of the mouth. Let's start on the left. Around and bending that back in. Let's add another one, coming down and then up. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side, starting above the mouth, going around and in, come down and then up. Let's trace the mouth along the bottom. Now we're going to go in between the eyes, step up towards the top. We're going to draw a straight line, go across the top of the head. And then on the left side, we're going to add some fur. We'll go out and then hook that in. Let's layer another one underneath. Going out and then in. And then from the top of the fur on the cheek, it's going to go around the eye and then up underneath. Now I'm going to place those large ears on top of the head. Let's start from this line on the left, bend the ear going up, and then out towards the end. It's going to round this out, come down the side, and then in on top of the cheek. Let's draw on the left ear. We're going to start on top of the head, bend this up, and then across. Round out the ear, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now on the right side, we're going to add that fold inside the ear. Let's start from the top, then this in, and then down. And we're starting to curve the seam coming around the eye and then down towards the cheek. Let's add a fold on the top left. From the tip, coming in, and then down. Now there's a seam inside each ear. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting up here, go up, down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Go out, and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with that vial of blood first. Starting in the middle, start with a short line. On the left side, then this around, almost like a teardrop. Going down across the bottom, and then up on the right side. Let's break off the top with a straight line. Now I'm going to add that rope. Starting on the left, then this out and up. Go to the right, go up, and then out. Now from here, we're going to tuck that fur collar underneath. Let's start underneath the head on the left side, going out and bending that in, come around the outside, and then in towards the left side of that vial. Let's line this up over on the right, going out and up, and create an overlap. Stepping back, coming around, up towards the shoulder, come down and up. Let's add one more, coming around and then up towards the head. Now I'm going to bend the right leg on top of the body. So let's start down here. Start by curving this up, come around the knee, and then in. Let's add some fur. Coming down and up. Add another curve going around the base of the leg, and up. Step back, come around, and create a fold along the top. Let's tuck the foot in underneath. Coming down, and then up. Separate the toes with two curves. Now I want to draw the body in behind the collar and the leg. So let's start on the left side. Curve the body going out and then in towards the leg. Let's go over towards the right, going around and then back in. Let's straighten the left leg, starting underneath the body, come down and out. Just going to add some fur. Come around the bottom and then up. Add another fur point and then up underneath. And then just like we did on the right, we're going to add that foot. Going down and then up. Separate the toes with two curves. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the wings. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the side of the collar, then this down and up, then add a hook on the end, bend this back in. Let's curve it around the wing and then down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards this point on the right side, bend the wing, coming out and down, go up, and then out towards a point, come back in to create a claw, all the way around towards the bottom. Now along the bottom of the wing, we're going to add two curves. Let's start on the left, going up and down, then this up towards the side of the body. Now on the right side, we're going to go up, come closer to the body, and then bend that back in underneath. Now you're going to see the tail just underneath the wing. Curve this down and in, add another curve. Now I want to add that thick ridge around the wings. Let's start from the left side, step in, trace that curve going all the way up towards that claw. Now I'm going to come down towards this point. Bend this down towards the bottom, step over, curve this up towards the top, and again we'll just trace that wing coming back in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Rabie Baby, the nightmare critter from Poppy Playtime 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.